All right, let's do a quick visual condition report, starting with the front right wheel. It's absolutely perfect, and actually all the wheels are perfect. There's zero curb rash on them. Looking at the top here, you do have a chip there, probably when they took it off and they clipped something. Fender looks perfect, door looks absolutely perfect. Making our way down here to the lower rocker, we do have a gash right there. It does catch your nail. It's about an inch long almost. This wheel looks absolutely perfect. I don't see any flaws on the quarter panel. And then looking at the front clip, there's no PPF on this car, but looking inches away, I do not see any rock chips that stand out on the hood or that front bumper. Now on the lower splitter, you do have some curb rash, but everything else looks amazing. And then looking at this side, I did not see any flaws that stand out. The wheels are perfect. I don't see any scuffs or scratches. Everything looks good. And same for the back. I don't see any scuffs, scratches, or any flaws that stand out. And then looking at the engine bay, of course, looks nice and clean. Got the carbon on the sides there. Kind of has a goldish hue to them. And then looking in the front, looks nice and clean. You got a little net here, some center caps, and a little divider net that will come with the car. Looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. The car has just over 4,000 miles on it. All of this looks absolutely perfect. I don't see any flaws. Here on the kick plate, I do see a couple tiny scuffs. And then right here on this cloth material, there is a tear right there, probably from the seat belt. That bolster looks perfect. I'm not seeing any flaws really on this seat. It looks really good. Steering wheel has that nice matte finish to it. Got the red stripe on the top. And then everything else looks perfect. It's essentially a brand new car in here, with that main flaw being right here. Then looking at this door panel, I don't see any flaws. Kick plate area looks good, and this seat looks absolutely perfect. Side of the console looks good, and I'm not seeing any flaws on this side.